choosing the prom queen from these freaks? And the title of Miss Nerd goes to you! Wow, beauty pageants sure are different these days. Alice knows what popularity is. Every year, she gets the title of Miss College. She enjoys all the glory and fame. But some girls live in a different reality. This is Kylie, and she's not really anything like Alice at all. She enjoys eating a lot.
Hey.
Hey, to each their own. But what if? Looks like Alice is up to something. She's so cool.
Hey.
Ow! Ooh.
No way! The beauty queen decided to talk to the ugly duckling! Do you want to be the most popular girl in college in 24 hours? What? Me? The hottest girl in college?
Yeah.
I can't believe it! Of course I do! Hey, be careful with the ketchup! Ew! Wow! Isn't this a dream? She could follow the popular girl anywhere! She'd do anything to look like the perfect girl. First lesson, the art of cheerleading. I'll teach you everything I know. But it seems like Kylie's shyness will ruin all their plans. This is not how it works. You need to let yourself go. Just repeat after me. Here we go. I think the transformation is starting. Oh, is this a skirt or a belt? Why are the clothes so small? Oh, relax. And now, let's learn how to shake pom-poms. Alice is a pro.
Yeah!
However, she makes mistakes sometimes, too. The first rule of cheerleaders, did you fall down? Pretend it was on purpose. The judges are delighted, and they all give the highest score. And now it's Kylie's turn. Come on, impress everyone with your performance. Make an effort! 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, this doesn't look so good. So much for the performance. The judges are bored. And the score is pretty low. That debut wasn't great, but don't worry. You just need to work a little on your look. Or maybe a lot. Look, see these shoes? Boom! I'm a queen! Come on, it's your turn. I have something for you. Wow! Shoes with a huge heel? Kylie is going to faint. There is nothing you can do. You have to try it. Do the same thing you did? Oh! Rebound! Something went wrong. Oh no! She'll never change!
Hey!
Kylie still has a long way to go before she can be Miss College. Maybe makeup will fix the situation? Look, it's easy! Wow! Alice is like a makeup guru! And she's ready to share her secrets with her new friend. Go ahead, try it! Oh no! What's wrong with your hands? Alice's patience is running out, so she decides to try something more radical. And one more time. And one more time. It seems to be helping. Hold it longer. Well, there you go. Finally! So much work! All right, take the phone. Who do you want me to call? My parents? Oh, we still have a lot of work to do. To get popular, you need to follow trends. And film a video with changing clothes. No way! Don't take off your clothes!
Hey!
Come on, I can help. Here's outfit number 1. And now, outfit number 2. Oh, so stylish. What if it's like this? Yikes! This is hopeless.
Hey!
Watch and learn. Everything has to go together. The sandals match the dress. The sneakers are sporty. And you can try looking more edgy, too. Woohoo! Wow! Maybe I can do that, too? No, this is a failure. Alice doesn't know what to do anymore. Kylie is completely helpless. Time for our next lesson. Alice gives a short introduction. To become popular, you have to talk to the coolest guys. Look how I do it.
Hey!
Oh, Kylie is going to have a tough time. Alice's tutorial, how to get in the spotlight in a second. The guys are already hypnotized by her. Kylie is kinda shocked. She can't do that. Although, she has one cool guy in mind. I'm going to call him. Hey, hi, can you come to my college? Right now, yeah, Alice is talented. The guys can't keep their eyes off her. I got it,
Hey.
The coolest guy is about to get here. I wonder who she's talking about.
Hey!
Here he is. Hi, Dad. Wait, is that your dad? But why? Because he's the coolest man in the world. Oh no, what's wrong with you? We need to keep working. Let's try to nurture your creative talents. An art class, that's what you need. Alice is the best at this, too. And what Kylie is drawing doesn't impress the professor. It's just a drawing, not very creative. Express yourself! Express yourself! Oh, is that what you want? Well, hold on. Oops! Sorry, I didn't mean to. What an explosion of color!
Yeah!
Let's practice again. This time, you will learn how to communicate with girls. Alice, as always, is the queen of the lecture hall. And everyone is happy to see her.
Oh.
But suddenly, oh, I feel sick. Here's the result.
Hey.
Alice is in the spotlight.
Hey!
Great acting. Kylie is impressed. She is so talented and manipulative. I'll show her. Hey, hey. This isn't working. Now faint.
Oh.
But even that doesn't help. They don't notice anyone at all except their precious Alice. And here comes the cleaner. He's going to find Kylie and help her wake up. And we'll fall in love, right?
Hey!
You wish. Oh, an interesting book. It's worth a read. Oh, why doesn't anyone notice me?
Hey!
Finally, senior prom. Tonight, we'll be electing a king and a queen. And our queen is Kylie! Wow! What an incredible transformation! And here is our king. Thomas is the most popular guy in college. And Alice's boyfriend. Or not anymore? Looks like Thomas doesn't care who his girlfriend is, as long as she's wearing a crown. Wow, they look so great together. What? I can't believe it. The student surpassed her master? Alice is sad, of course. However, Kylie also doesn't like all this attention. And anyway, it's all thanks to Alice. Kylie chooses their friendship. Hey, are you really upset? Yes! But it's so great that you found your self-confidence. Give me a hug. Woohoo! Do you think it's possible to become popular in one day? Write us a comment about it. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new sketches about anything and everything on Troom Select.